Hello and welcome to the very next lecture on method number 3, that is making use of the properties. We have to find out the inverse Laplace transform, okay, and the result based on it. Okay, so let us see what this problem says. So as you can see that this problem number 3, 2 we have already taken. This says find L inverse of this, hence or otherwise show that this. So I think for the time being we must concentrate on the very first part. So let us start with the solution of this. So what is the first part? This, right? So let, I will write here first part. Let f of s is equal to, what is it? F of s is equal to log of 1 plus 1 by s square. Simple. Now I can solve this and write log of, taking LCM, s square plus 1 by s square. Okay. Now applying the property of logarithm, I can write this one as log of a by b can be written as log of a plus b minus log of a minus log of b. Here you can give the reason here. Log of a by b is log a minus log b. Okay, now this is log of this. Okay, this is f of s. Now we don't have any formula or anything to find out the Laplace transform of logarithm function. So I am going to differentiate this with respect to s. So what would be f dash of s? Log, derivative of log is 1 upon s square plus 1 into derivative of s square plus 1 is 2s. Minus, what about this? 1 by s square into 2s. Easy. Okay. Yeah. Which is 2 by s. Which can be written as, that is, f dash of s is equal to, just a minute, I can take 2 outside and this is s upon, or better we write it as 2s upon s square plus 1 minus 2 by s. Okay, this is my f dash of s. Say this is to be, okay, this is f dash of s. So take inverse of this, taking inverse Laplace transform, taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides, we get, so what we will be getting? Yes, L inverse of f dash of s is equal to, what is it? S upon s square plus 1. So this is 2 times L inverse of s upon s square plus 1. Okay. Minus 2 L inverse of 1 by s. Which is same as 2. This is Laplace transform of cos t. Okay. And this is minus 2. Laplace transform 1 by s is 1. Simple. So I have L inverse of f dash of s to be 2 into cos t minus 1. Any doubt up to this? If not, then we can move ahead. Okay, this is L inverse of f dash of s is this. But by using the property, we know that what is L inverse of f dash of s. Do anyone know that? If you know that, just pause the video for 1 or 2 seconds or take your time, whatever time you require, and try to write down the property. Okay, so I am going to write, by using property, what was that? L inverse of f dash of s is equal to minus t into f of t. Okay, say this is to be number 2. Is it okay? Where what is f of t? Where f of t is L inverse of f of s. Clear? Now look at 1 and 2. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get, what we get? Can anyone tell me? Yes? Left hand side, same. So right hand side must also same. Okay? So you can just write L inverse of f dash of s. Left hand side same. So no need to write down this. You can just write minus t into f of t is equal to this, 2 cos t minus 1. That is, f of t is equal to, give minus sign to this, so this become 1 minus cos t upon t. So this is just f of t. Okay. And that is what we want. Okay. So from 1 and 2 actually you can write L inverse of f of s is equal to, this is equal to this. Fine. Now what is L inverse of this? Is f of, okay, this is f of t we got. Okay, so f of t is this. Therefore L inverse of, what is f of s? This, log of 1 plus 1 by s square is equal to, what I should write? F of t. And what is it? F of t is this, 2 into 1 minus cos t by t. Simple. And this proves the first part, which is this L inverse of that is what we have to find out. Here's the first part. Now we have to do the second part. So for second part, if you are smart enough to do the second part, then pause the video for a few seconds, and once you are done with it, resume the video. So I hope you might have come up with the answer to this. Whenever there is a question like hence or otherwise show that this, means you have to make use of the first part. Okay, so you can just write 3 golden words here, golden words in mathematics, which is we know that. So what we know? We know that L inverse of f of s upon s is equal to, what we know is integration 0 to t f of t dt. Okay, or yeah, you can write, if limit is in terms of t, you can use some other variable. Okay, now if you look at this and this, the only change is this is the function I have and this divided by s. So it is like, and what is this function? We have written this as f of s. So f of s upon s, and you know that the property of this. So you just need to do L inverse of f of s upon s is this. Okay, so that is, you can write L inverse of 1 by s as it is. What is my f of s? My f of s is this, log of 1 plus 1 upon s square. Simple. Now you just have to substitute the value of f of t. F of t we have found out. Here it is in terms of x. That doesn't affect the problem or the answer, last answer. So what is my f of x? This is 2 into 1 minus cos x upon x dx. Okay, and this completes the given problem. Okay, so we have taken 3 different problems on the method number 3. For more problems, we can have it in the live interaction. So thank you for watching and happy learning. Thank you.